Hello students, welcome to Vyas Education Kota. In this series of NCERT discussion, we are moving on to the next exercise of the chapter Determinants from class 12th NCERT. Right? We will be discussing exercise 4.2 now. Let's move on to the first question, and using the property of determinants and without expanding in exercises 1 to 7, we have to prove that this is equal to 0. We have to use the properties of determinants, mind you. And what are the properties of determinants? There are a lot of properties of determinants. We have gone through those properties, and let's see how we use those properties to prove that this LHS is equal to this value of determinant is equal to 0, right? We have to prove that. Okay, so let's begin with this first question. The question says that you have x, y, z, a, b, c, and then you have sum of these two. Okay, that's pretty interesting. So observe that in the LHS you have this determinant x, y, z, a, b, c, x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. If you observe that this particular column is nothing but the sum of these two columns, sum of corresponding elements of these two columns, right? If I think of replacing C1 by C1 plus C2, now what will that give us? This will make this particular column same as this column. Yes. And if two columns or two rows are exactly same, then the value of determinant is 0. Yes, the value of determinant is 0, and on the basis of this we can prove this. So C1 is replaced by C1 plus C2. This is an operation which we are performing on this. The value of determinant will remain same. Yes, this will be equal to this x plus a, y plus b, z plus c, and then you have a, b, c. This is already x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. Okay. And since C1 and C3 are same, since C1 and C3 columns are exactly same, therefore value of determinant will be, yes, value of determinant will be 0. Yes, so therefore LHS is equal to 0, which is equal to the RHS, hence proved. That's what we are started with proving, right? That's what we wanted to prove. We proved that. Could we have used any other approach or any other idea? No. Idea is similar only. What you can do is you can replace this C3 by C3 minus C2. C3 minus C2, right? What you get is XYZ in this. There's XYZ over there. Two columns, if they have the exact same elements, the value of determinant will be 0. That same idea will be used in that case as well, right? Another idea that you could have used was, alternate approach that you could have used would look like something like this, that you can replace maybe C3 by C3 minus C1 minus C2. Ooh. You're subtracting both of them at the same time? Yes, I'm subtracting both of them at the same time, and in this case the LHS will be equal to what? The LHS will be equal to x, y, z, which is okay. This is a, b, c, which is also okay. But x plus a minus x and minus a will be simply 0 and 0 and 0 over here. And if all elements in a particular column or all elements in a particular row are 0, then the value of determinant is 0. Again, that's equal to the RHS. That's another way of dealing with this same thing. What we have done is exactly same, and we're getting the exact same result, right? That's the complete proof of this question.